Come on, Ashley.
Come on, Ashley.
Well, who's going to be filming you, Ashley?
Hopefully you.
Well, let me show you how it's done. Ain't my first rodeo, Ashley.
Oh. Look at you dialed in.
Baby girl.
Come here.
Just like that, Ashley. Just remember, pop, reel down.
Reel down.
Just take your turn. There you go. Show them how it's done, Ashley.
Come on, you ain't no rookie no more, girl. Come on.
This is not your first time. Uh-oh, we got a fish on over there. Were you about to go off?
It looked like it was. It went down quite
Come
a
on,
bit.
Kim. We might get a back one. You got to net the fish.
See if it hits it again.
All right. Watch his rod while he net the fish, because he's gonna watch the rod. Just take your time there, Ashley. Take your time. It's the big one. The stud. Remember, reel back. Just let him. If you want to run, just let him run. You can't make him come in. You know that's a big old bandfish. He want to do what he wants to do.
Yep.
You know, pull up and only turn when you pull it when you're pulling down. All right, now choke up on the bed. Go up a little higher with your left hand. Go up a little higher to give you a little leverage. Put your hand up a little higher. That hand, your left hand,
Left hand. Fire on
There. Now, hold the rod down. Okay, pull it up. Okay, and then reel down when you go down. There you go. Just a couple of turns. Same thing. All right, just take your time. Don't only reel when you're going down. Pull up, then reel down. There he is.
Oh, nice.
Oh wow. Just take your time. Take your time. Yeah, only reel when you're going down. Cause you see how you're trying to do it.
Yep.
Hold it there, Ashley.
Girl, you got it.
We big fishing. Just take your time. Right there. All right, now just right there. Take it easy. Don't stop. Right there. Hold it right there.
Don't reel in no more.
That's it, Ashley. All right, take it out of gear. Go real slow. Take it out of gear. Take the rod out of gear. There you go. Okay.
I just learned that now.
All right, Ashley. We don't want to ever reel it all the way up to the end like that because you have no cushion.
Okay.
All right, but you learn it.
I got that.
I'm watching you. I'm just
Just right when she said that, I was like, okay, I didn't know that. Now
Yeah, don't reel it. Just you always want to leave slack.
Somebody move that blanket. Get rid of that blanket. Move that somewhere else. I don't need to get it again.
You already slimed it, Ashley.
Yeah, but you don't want an extra slime. Yeah, I got it. I'll be careful.
All right, guys. It's Willard here with the famous 4Ws fishing team. We have the Texas Parks and Wildlife. We have the famous Laura Luna and Ashley and Alvin. We putting them on their biggest fish ever. We're away from the action right now, so they get the fish out of the net. And you need the hook remover. So I'm showing how the camera crew need to have it done. All right, you guys ready?
Yep.
Okay, I'm coming around. We got our audience. You took the hook out.
Yeah.
It's Ladies' Day. Let's get all the ladies together. Give me the rod.
Come here.
Alvin, you in charge back there while we take care of the ladies?
Come here. Stop moving.
He's not gonna stop moving. You gotta man.
Hold on, hold on.
Miss Kim's helping you with her.
Here,
foot.
hand me the
Very
phone.
good.
Hand me the phone.
Give me your big bitch.
Here we go.
All right, are we having fun?
We're having a blast.
Who we with today?
Hey, this is Kim Sorensen.
Laura Luna.
Ashley Burrell.
Wait a minute, what the heck is wrong with those damn jackets?
Oh, we got slime from these fish.
My wife is gonna want to know what is all that stuff on those
Let me see
jackets.
this.
It's slime
That
time,
blanket.
baby.
All right, quick release.
Quick release.
What's
So
up,
beautiful.
beautiful?
Don't give them a
Oh,
Come on,
My hand is
hold
not
on.
running. Hold up.
Rookie.
I'm sorry, I'm still a rookie here.
She's learning,
Both
guys.
sides, both sides. Grab both sides, honey.
Oh, both sides of the
Yes,
fin?
hands in both sides.
And
There you
up
go.
closer to his lip. There you go. Right there in the gills. Up
Right in the
higher,
gills.
up higher. Right in here, right there. Right where my
okay.
foot. Put your hand right where my foot was.
Okay.
Put that the right hand in there. Put your right
There
hand
you
in
go,
there.
right
Up close,
up there
right
to
there.
the mouth, yes.
There you go.
Oh, I see.
There you
Okay.
Yeah,
go. Okay,
there you
andale,
go.
andale.
The other way. There you go.
Woo! Good job.
That was
Think
fun.
about that.
I thought that was fun as
You're
heck.
gonna be the camera person.
I'm sorry, I had to catch too.
She said I have to pay her by letting her fish.
Yes, you do. That's exactly what I want to be paid.
But tell her that's your brand new jacket.
This is my brand new jacket. I bought
What
it.
we gonna have on there?
We're gonna have Ashley, an official camera crew.
Well, who wouldn't want to have a job like that?
I want a job like that.
It's a dream job.
Yes, it is. High five.
How many fish you caught?
2.
Big ones.
2 big ones.
Ever. Laura?
Well, I'm on number
3.
4. No, 3.
3.
3.
2 reds.
I landed
1
3.
drum.
1 got away.
No, you landed. Oh yeah.
Landed 3. 1 got away. So
So you're gonna have
But you have
nightmares
2
about
reds.
that
You
one.
got
I
2
am. I
reds.
need to go
Yes,
see
you
a
are.
counselor.
So you're gonna have to go see a counselor.
I have
come back.
separation
Okay, so
anxiety.
Kim, I think if we had a competition.
She
Cam
would've
took
won.
it. Cam took it, baby.
Yeah, she
had a
took that
monster.
hands down.
So how
Her
big?
first one.
How big was your very first catch of the day?
That first one was at least this long.
Wait,
And
my
she's not
phone don't
lying.
go that
She's
fast.
not
She's not lying. She's not kidding. It was as big as
Wait,
her
let's
arm
try it
went.
again.
Big as
On
her
here,
arm.
my phone ain't go, but
Yep.
that's a long way, Kim.
Yes,
That's a long
it is.
ways, Yeah.
Hey, that ain't no fish
But
show. That's for
it was
real.
awfully heavy.
All right. Well, good job.
Thank you so much, Willard.
Okay. All right, guys.
4W fishing team.
Foot on the gas. Foot on the gas. Woo! Exactly.
All right. That's just another day in the office. Texas Parks and Wildlife. Diversity. Alvin! 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 All right, guys. 4W fishing team. Great day on the water. Texas and the United States. You know, that's how we do it. Alvin over there harassing us. Can you take that clicker off because we live, Alvin? Yeah. Please, sir. Up, pull it up, pull it up.
Yep.
There you go. So let's see. With no pressure, Alvin, so everybody watching you. So Alvin likes a double. Oh, perfect cast, Alvin. All right, all right. All right, guys. I don't know how much longer we can hold out. Our backs are starting to hurt. Our arms are tired. We're going to have to get some more snacks. All right, 4W fishing, great day on the water. Foot on the gas, guys. One more time.
Foot on the gas.
Alvin!